What's up, everybody? I'm 13. Okay, witness my drone army. So I created a Python program, and it's designed to show you the drones, which you can see in 3D. We're gonna go ahead and go down to kind of ground level here. We would be standing just a hair above them like that, right? And you can see that they have a blue LED shining. That's a multicolor LED. And there's an LED on the top and there's an LED on the bottom. And you can see that we have, I think it's 80 drones. Um, and we have a floor, it's green, and we have a sky, it's blue. And basically, we've created this 3D scene with our Python program, and then we've programmed our drones to display in 3D, and we also have the ability for the drones to be controlled. So what I'm going to go ahead and do here is I'm going to back up a little bit, and I can I can tell them to take off. I'm going to do that now. You will see, there they go. Now, the key thing about this, now there is a little something where they go into the ground, which I can try to adjust for that. But essentially what you're seeing here, largely, mostly, the pathing, the flying is designed so that they do not fly next to each other. So the drones are supposed to avoid colliding with each other. And that's basically what you're seeing right now. Now, if I issue the next command, you're going to see the drones begin to fly differently. And we're going to go ahead and see. Okay, you don't have the drone lights on this version, okay? Um, you could see, I'll show you from the top here. I'll just fly and show you that they show green and the other ones show red, orange because they're not in position. But when they get in position, they turn green. So I do have that version of the one where the LEDs are showing on the bottom of the drone, which would be much better because they'd be much easier to see, and that's kind of the whole point anyway. But now what you're seeing is that the drones are reaching a position in the sky. Now, what can be adjusted is where the drones are supposed to fly to, right? Now, the key point is that the drones are not supposed to collide with each other as they work on getting to their final position of the formation. And so what we're seeing is this is a sphere formation. Sorry, my camera controls require some adjustment as well. But essentially, you're seeing the sphere here. That's what they're designed to get into this sphere shape. Um, and so they're almost done now, and they will finish. But at any time, I can go ahead and issue the next command. I'll do that now. And now the drones are flying to new positions based on that. So that's basically the point, is that we can tell the drones to do a drone show by telling them what to do. Trying to see what else. I'm supposed to be able to land them, I think, and that would be nice if I could get them to land. Um, the button to land is what? Is it L for landing? L would make sense. All right, so the drones, I think they go up in the sky in line here, pretty much in lines, essentially, like a wall perhaps in the sky. Now we're going to push L, and they're going to land, and they're landing very rapidly. And that's cool. I like that they landed safely and rapidly. Very interesting. So I hope you enjoyed that. That's my drone program in virtual reality. Of course, you know these can all be all real and that they can all do this in the real life. Essentially, there's going to be some considerations for these drones traveling through the air and things like that. But we did it.